Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel, The Appalachian Home, and welcome if you are new to my channel. So today I'm going to be in my office. I'm going to be creating organization labels for my entire small office. I'm going to be using the Cricut Maker to create them. I recently went through and just completely reorganized my office. So we're going to go through all of the file folders I need labels for, all of my bins, all of the baskets, all of my storage boxes, and all of my drawers, and just completely create organization labels so I can keep everything straight and in order and where everything needs to go. And I'm going to show you how you can create labels with your Cricut machine. These are so easy, so simple to make. You can create totally customized labels exactly the way you want them to look with your Cricut. So I'm going to show you all the materials we're going to be using to create these labels. I'm also going to take you on a short walkthrough of my office. I'm just going to make a list of all of my bins that I have, all of my drawers I want to label, and then we'll be going down that list and just completely creating labels for everything. I'll also show you in Design Space how to create your designs for your labels as well. I hope you guys enjoy this video. We'll go ahead and get started. I'm going to take you through a short walkthrough of my office so we can kind of get an idea of everything we need to make today and all the labels that we need to create. So let's go ahead and get started. So here is my office. I have a large pegboard on the wall that holds all of my vinyl and all of my little baskets, and in those baskets I hold all of my vinyl cutting and decal creating tools. Also have my paper cutters and measuring tools, as well as all my Cricut mats and Cricut rulers hanging up here on this pegboard, and also have all of my screwdrivers and tools that I use here in my craft room and office up on this as well. Also have my Cricut infusible ink on the wall, all of my HTV and iron-on material organized over here. In this clear bin I keep all of my holographic vinyl and gold vinyl and sparkle vinyl, all those. So I'm going to be labeling this holographic. I keep all of my iron-on material here color coordinated, so I'm going to put some script stickers down here to kind of label everything to keep it in order. Here I have all of my extra cords and my Cricut presses. This is my mini press, which I love, and then this is my Cricut Easy Press. Then I have my bottom storage here. This is where I make all of my wooden beads. These are small. I'm going to get some labels for these jars. This is my large, medium, and small and extra small beads, so I'm going to be labeling these. Then here in these bins I have some extra beads. I have all of my twine for my beaded ropes, and then in this one I have just some miscellaneous wire, some clay. I have all of my glitter in here. I'll be going through this and kind of just giving this some labels to remember everything I have in here. So in these drawers below those bins I have now all of my t-shirt blanks. I have some children's sizes back here. These start at small, medium, and large, and extra large. I want to do some kind of organizing tabs or some stickers here along the top of the drawer so that I know what sizes I have in here. Then on this bottom drawer here is all of my shipping supplies. So I want to get a label for this drawer. I have boxes, shipping bags, tape, some bags for all of my thank you cards. I have some tissue paper and some smaller shipping bags. So I definitely want to label these two drawers here with some sort of labeling system. And here is my desk area. I have two bins on my desk that hold all of my tape and all of my hole punches that I'll be labeling. And then I have these three large containers that I hold all of my invoices and my receipts and my planners and some extra decals that I do when I test my decals. So we'll be making labels for all of those. Here are the materials that we're going to use in today's video. I'm using Cricut brand printable clear sticker paper. I'm also using some white and gold adhesive vinyl, and the gold vinyl is the gold foil in the matte finish. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and jump into Design Space, and I'm going to show you how I designed all of my labels. So I just went into text. I'm going to type in planner sticker for my binders, and this I actually changed to a font called Belinda. And I was happy with that, so I went ahead and made the other two stickers for the other two binders, and I just duplicated the first one and changed the text. You'll want to weld all of your letters together. If you ever find when you weld letters together and they make this fill in the center like this one does here, you can always just undo your action and move your letter out just a little bit further and it will take care of that. So then I typed in t-shirts. I'm going to make labels for my drawers. This one I wanted to label t-shirts, and I changed it to a text called aphasia BT, and I'll link all these below so you know exactly how to spell them. But I liked that, and so I just duplicated that. I'm going to make another label for my shipping supplies drawer. So I just duplicated this one and typed in shipping supplies. Now I want one that says holographic, and this one I'm going to put on that clear bin that holds all of my holographic vinyl. This one I changed to a font called Drescher Grotesque, and these are some really strange font names, but again, I'll type it down below. And then I stretched out my letters just a little bit and sized it to fit on my clear container. Now I'm going to go in and create some text. I'm going to create the word small, and these are going to be print then cut stickers, so I want to create an offset around them. So I'm going to go up to offset, and I'm going to create an offset that is 0.08 inches. Then I'm going to change that color to white because I don't want that to print out in my print then cut. You want to make sure your text is set to print then cut for these stickers. Then I'm going to do the same thing for the rest of these labels. I'm just typing out text, changing it to print then cut, then creating the offset that is 0.08 inches. You want to change your color to white. Once you have all of your text typed out and offsets created around them, you want to flatten your text to your offset so that your machine does not cut out your text, it just cuts out your offset. And I'll show you here in a second. You can't see the offset after you flatten it, but that just means that it has been flattened and your machine is only going to cut out around your offset. Once you get all your stickers created, you want to go ahead and attach those to your mat. I'm just going to make it, and it's going to bring up all your projects, all your print then cut projects and all your vinyl projects. They're going to be on different mats. I'm going to do the print then cut first, so I'm going to turn off the bleed and send this to my printer. I'm going to change the print settings for this particular paper that I'm going to be using. I'm going to be using the clear sticker paper by Cricut, and I'm just going to set it for a glossy photo paper. Now I'm just going to place this on a standard grip mat and load it into my machine. I'm going to set my material settings to printable clear sticker paper. Now I'm going to do the same thing for the vinyl. I'm just going to change the material settings to premium vinyl. And then for this gold foil, there is a setting for the foil matte adhesive vinyl in your drop down menu. So that's what I'm going to use for this one. Okay, so now I have all of my labels cut out on my vinyl and sticker paper. These I'm just going to go ahead and pop on my drawers and places that I'm going to put them. I'm going to go ahead and weed all this out and get some transfer tape so we can apply these. Now I have everything weeded. I'm ready to put the transfer tape over these. I'm going to be using the Cricut brand transfer tape. For the foil stickers, I'm actually using the Strong Grip transfer tape. It seems to work a little bit better on all of the foil adhesive vinyl. And for the regular vinyl, I'm going to use the Standard Grip transfer tape. Now I have all of my labels finished. I'm just going to go around my office and place them where they need to go. I'm just burnishing my decal material down to the transfer tape and slowly removing the transfer tape. Then I'm just going to place it on my surface, and you can rub it down with your fingers or with your squeegee tool. Then I'm going to slowly just remove that transfer tape. And I'm going to go around and finish this for all of my binders and my drawers and things like that. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and got some really neat ideas for organization labels for your office. I'm going to leave all of the products I used and all the fonts that I used for these labels down in the description box if you want to recreate these same labels. Thank you all for watching today's video, and I also want to thank Cricut again for sponsoring today's video. If you're not subscribed to my channel, I hope you will consider subscribing and liking this video if you like this kind of content. And I'll see you all back again soon with another video.